What is this dude doing? What? Can I help you, sir?
Why I got your attention? Let me talk to you about the Nation of Islam.
Sir, I don't follow that faith.
That's why I'm trying to talk to you. I'm trying to talk to you about a possible conversion to the Nation of Islam, becoming a Muslim.
Sir, I'm not one of y'all.
In the Nation of Islam, everyone is a child of Allah, my brother.
I don't think you understand. I'm not black.
Say what? Let me see. Oh, shit. My bad. We don't want you. Saltine, brother. Assalamu alaikum. Enjoy the rest of your day.